Hey guys, so today I went to the mall and I'm gonna show you the haul of what I got, and I got tons of stuff. So let's get started. So I went to Dave & Buster's and I won this plushie. It's so cute. It was 800 tickets. Gosh, it's so fluffy. So in the claw machine, I got this octopus and this warriors thing. It's kind of like a squishy. What? Huh? I know. The last things at Dave & Buster's I got were like Squishies. Like, can you believe there were Squishies there? I already knew that, but I got soccer ball, basketball, and a baseball, and there was a football, but I already had one. I already have one. There was also chill pills, which I only got the blue one. There's also a red one. So then I have a baseball. Then a basketball. And then lastly I have a chill pill. Chill pill. So yeah, the last two things I got from bowling. I went to the bowling alley, so I got a puzzle eraser, it's like ice cream sandwich, I don't know. And sorry for the bad light. And then sorry for everybody who's eating right now, because I hope you put your food away right now, because it's gonna be very weird. And then I have some too. It's like a rubbery plastic. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye. Peace.